KTM 1290 Super Duke R gets an update for 2017, the Beast 2.0, because the KTM 1290 Super Duke R is getting an upgrade for the 2017 model year, debuting today at the EICMA show in Milan, Italy. The first most noticeable change is the new LED headlight, which will debut throughout the Duke line, and draws links to KTM's remodeled adventure bikes, which have a similar LED setup. KTM has also modified the TFT dash, which seems like a minor change, except the old version always made the Street Fighter feel cheaper than its price tag suggested. The new dash richens the user experience with its look and feel, and is a welcomed addition to the 2017 KTM 1290 Super Duke R, of course. The change you're most interested in is the revised 1301cc V-twin engine, which has a reworked cylinder head and intake, and now produces 177 horsepower. Cornering ABS from Bosch has also been added, with the IMU also helping control the traction control system. KTM lists the changes for 2017 KTM 1290 Super Duke R as the following.